you are born poor, it's not your mistake. But if you die poor, it's your mistake. Patience is a key element of success. To win big, you something have to take big risk. I am not in competition with anyone but myself. My goal is to improve myself continuously. Don't compare yourself with anyone in this world. If you do so, you are insulting yourself. I choose a lazy person to do a hard job because a lazy person will find an easy way to do it. I failed in some subject in exam, but my friend passed in all. Now he is an engineer in Microsoft and I am the owner of Microsoft.